And welcome to episode 2 of the 6th grade math course. And today we are going to learn how to divide fractions by fractions. So let's get into it. So here's the big idea. To divide fractions, we need to remember to do the keep, change, flip method. We're going to refer to this method throughout the video. But what does this mean? So basically this means keeping the first fraction, that's what keep stands for. Changing the division sign to multiplication, that's what change stands for. And we're going to flip the second fraction, take it reciprocal, okay? So let's do an example, and we're going to use simple fractions for this. So the problem we are given is 2/3 divided by 4/5. Okay, we have to solve this. So let's do this step by step. We're going to keep 2/3. We're going to change the division sign to multiplication, and we're going to flip 4/5, and we're going to make it 5/4. So now we're multiplying 2/3 and 5/4. Okay, and if we do the multiplication, it equals to 10 over 12, and then that equals to 5/6. So that's 2/3 divided by 4/5 equals to 5/6. So now let's do another example, but this time we're going to use mixed numbers. So we are given the problem 1/1 divided by 3/4. Let's do this step by step. We're going to convert 1/1 to 3/2, just like we do with any mixed number when we're doing a division problem. And then we're going to keep 3/2. We're going to change the division sign to multiplication. And then we're going to flip 3/4 and we're going to make it 4/3. So now we have the problem 3/2 times 4/3. 3 times 4 equals to 12. 2 times 3 equals to 6. 12 over 6 equals to 2. And finally, I just want to talk about some common mistakes that when you're doing when you're dividing fractions by fractions, these are some common mistakes to avoid. So first thing, never divide straight across. Numerator does not divide by numerator. Denominator does not divide by denominator. It's not a shortcut. This is the only way to do it. You must flip the second fraction every time. If you forget to do it, that's just not how this problem works. You can't solve the division problem properly if you don't flip the second fraction. And then simplifying your final answer, something normal when you're doing fractions, but make sure you always, always, always simplify your final answer. And that is it for this video. Thanks for watching.